Today I'm going to show you how to create a custom heading style in Microsoft Word step by step so you can make your documents look more polished, more consistent, and much easier to navigate. This is especially helpful if you want your own branded heading design while still keeping the structure of a proper Word heading for things like outlines and tables of contents. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and make sure you subscribe for more quick Microsoft Word tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word and make sure you already have a document open or create a new blank document. Once Word is open, look at the top of the screen and click the Home tab. On the Home tab, find the Styles group. This is where Word keeps all of its built-in heading styles like Heading 1, Heading 2, and Heading 3. Now look closely at the bottom right corner of the Styles group. You'll see a small arrow, sometimes called the Styles pane launcher. Click that small arrow to open the full Styles pane. This gives you more control over the styles in your document and is the easiest way to create a custom heading style from scratch. Once the Styles pane opens, look toward the bottom left corner of that pane and click the New Style button. It usually looks like a capital A with a plus sign next to it. That's the button you want because it lets you define a brand new style instead of editing an existing one. Now a style creation window will appear. The first thing you want to do is give your style a unique name. Choose something that clearly tells you what the style is for, like custom heading, brand heading, or chapter heading. Picking a clear name makes it much easier to find later. Next, set the style type to paragraph. This is important because heading styles are usually paragraph styles, and that gives you more flexibility with formatting and document structure. After that, look for the option called Style Based On. Here, choose one of the existing heading styles, such as Heading 1, Heading 2, or whichever heading level you want your custom style to behave like. This is a key step because it helps your custom heading appear properly in the table of contents and keeps Word treating it like a real heading. Now it's time to customize the look. In the formatting section, adjust the font, size, boldness, color, alignment, and spacing however you want. You can make it look more modern, more professional, or match your company or personal brand. For example, you might choose a larger font size, a darker color, bold text, or extra spacing before and after the paragraph so the heading stands out on the page. Take a moment to preview the style and make sure it looks the way you want. The goal is to create a heading style that looks unique but still functions like a heading inside Word. Once everything looks good, click OK to save the new style. Now, your custom heading style should appear in the Styles pane, ready to use anytime. To apply it, just highlight the text you want to turn into a heading, then click your new custom style. Word will instantly format it using the design you created. If you want, you can repeat this process to create multiple custom heading styles for different levels, like one for main sections and another for subheadings. That can make your documents look even more organized and consistent, and that's how you create a custom heading style in Microsoft Word. It's a simple process, but it can make a huge difference in how professional your documents look and how easy they are to edit later. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Microsoft Word tutorials, and comment below if you want to see more formatting tips in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.